Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a really great partner assisted stretch. It's called AIS, it's active isolated stretching. Aaron Mates from America developed this many years ago, and I've been using this probably with pretty much all of my athletes. So I'm going to show you the approach by using it on the hamstrings. All right, so now Karen actually hasn't done this stretch before, so this is a perfect example to show you how to train your clients or even your athletes on how to do this stretch. Okay, so we're doing this for the hamstrings. So it's quite simple. The first thing that you have to do is actually find out where you find their first point of resistance, okay, in regards to their hamstring. So Karen's going to be a bit tight because she had a big leg workout yesterday, I think it was. Yep. So we're not looking for massive amounts of range here because obviously the idea is that she's still got a little bit of DOMS going on. Okay, so we're going to come up and find that first point of resistance, and usually I can pick it up quite well, which is probably about there, Karen. Yep. Okay, so we mark that as that's the first point of our resistance. Okay. Now the trick with this stretch is that we do a repeated approach where we take it up to the point of that resistance, which is about there. We get our clients to contract the opposing muscle, which is the quadricep, for 2 seconds, and then we bring it back down. Okay, but then we repeat the process again. So we go 1, 2, back down, same approach again, 1, 2, back down. Now the reason we do the 2 seconds is to make sure that we don't engage that inverse stretch reflex, which stops us from stretching or tearing our muscles. Okay, 1, 2, how's that going there, Karen? Good, she's doing really well. Okay, 1, 2, and what you'll find after a while, body starts to get used to it, start to see the range increase here, as you can see. So normally you do this for around about anywhere from 15 to 20 times. I did tell Karen before we did it for about 150, but it's obviously just using a bit of sarcasm there. But yeah, so back up, 1, 2. Once you're used to it with your athletes, you'll find that you just bang. So you'll see we're almost up to 90 degrees already. So we started at roughly, what, about 70 degrees. And yeah, we should have Karen at about 130 by the end of this. Okay, 1. So 1, 2, good. So you get the idea. You can do this with any of the muscles. It's just a matter of that you engage the antagonist muscle for 2 seconds. Obviously that allows the muscle that you're stretching, the agonist, to obviously move that little bit further. You take that resistance and barrier out of it. Alrighty, so that's active isolated stretching just for your hamstrings.